how to share photo albums in iPhone. So let's get started. First thing first, launch the Photos app from your home screen, and once inside the Photos app, all you have to do is tap on the plus icon available in the top left corner of your screen, and it will show you a drop down menu. From that drop down menu, tap on the new shared album option available there. Now all you have to do is give your shared album a name and tap next. After you do that, add the email addresses or phone numbers of the people you want to invite, and after you do so, again tap on the next option available there. Now to adjust settings like making the album public, tap on the public album tab and find the shared album and tap on the people button to manage album settings as well. Now you can easily share and manage photo albums across your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.